Hello students. We have done straight lines first part. Okay. So let's start with exercise 10.1. First question is draw quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane whose vertices are. So you have to draw the points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, comma 7. These points you have to plot. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 comma minus 7 minus 5, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 4 comma 5, minus 4 comma 5, then 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma minus 2. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. So we have to find the area of this. So we have to join this. Okay, so to find the area, you can use the area of a triangle formula. 3 points you have to take. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. So if you are taking triangle ABC, ABD, sorry, then the points are minus 4 comma 5, 5 comma minus 5, and minus 4 comma minus 2. So area of triangle formula is half x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is x1, y2, y3, x2, y3, y1, x3, y1 plus 1. So minus 3 minus 7 4 into 1. 12, 35, 4. So this is 39 minus 12. 27 by 2 square units. Okay, so this is one part, and other part is you have to use this is minus, but we always take it as plus because this here there is a mod sign. This is 5, y2 is minus 5, so plus 5. Oh, this is 10. This is 40. Okay. So it is 75 minus 12. 63 by 2 units. Square units. Okay. Next triangle is our triangle DCAD. DCAD. So the points are -4, 5, 0, 7, 5, -5. So area is half x1, y2 minus y3, x2. This is whole thing is 0. Then x3, y1 minus y2. -4 into 35 and 12. And 5 into -2. So this is -48 minus 10. So minus 58 by 2. So 58. 29 square units. Okay. Next question. The base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along the y-axis such that the midpoint of the base is at the origin. Okay. Along the y-axis. So it is at the origin. So it will be like this. This is A, this is A. That is 2A. Then find the vertices of a triangle. So you have to find the vertices of a triangle. These points you have to find. Okay. This point is nothing but 0, A. This is 0, minus A. Two vertices are already there. Now you have to find this point. Okay. So we need this distance. This is no, this is equilateral. Equilateral means this is also 2A and this distance is also 2A. That is, triangle is like this. 2A, 2A, and this is A, this is A. So you have to find the perpendicular. Okay. So you can use Pythagoras here. So hypotenuse is this 2A, 2A. So 2A square equal to A square plus, I'll take this side as A, B, C, D, AC. Okay. So this is 4A square and this comes here. So root 3A is your AC. So this is root 3A. So this point is root 3A, 0. Okay. Third question. Find the distance between P and Q when PQ is parallel to the y-axis and PQ is parallel to the x-axis. So PQ, when PQ is parallel to the y-axis. So PQ, this line is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So when this is parallel to x-axis, this point is what? Okay, we have to take, if you are taking it to be on the x-axis, right, these points are similar. If I take, say, this is 2, okay, then and say this is 1, -1 and this is 3, okay, then this will be what? This point will be -1, 2 and this point will be 3, 2, Okay, when you are taking the distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? So x2 here only x1 and x2 are changing. Y1 and y2 are same. So this thing will be 0 and only this thing is there. So square means this will be x2 minus x1. So it can be positive or negative. Okay, same way this is for line parallel to x-axis. For line parallel to y-axis, x1 and x2 will be same. So your distance will be y2 minus y1. Okay. Next question, question 4. You have to find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points 7, 6 and 3, 4. So this point is on the x-axis. Point on the x-axis can be written as some x comma 0. Right. So this point is equidistant. That is, if we are taking say P, Q, it is not necessary that this line is a straight line. It can be like this also. And this point is O. So both these distances are same. That is, distance PO is same as OQ. Okay. So if I take this point is given 7, 6 and this point is given 3, 4. So x2, I'll take this as x2, y2. Okay. So x1 is x. 7 minus x plus 6 minus 0. 3 minus x plus 4 minus 0. Okay. Squaring both the sides, this roots gets cancelled. I'll get here 7 minus x the whole square. This you have to square. So this is 49 minus 14x plus x square plus 36 equal to 9 minus 6x plus x square plus 16. Okay, 49 plus 36 85. Then this 9 plus 16 is 25. That you have to minus 60. So this is 60. Then minus 14x plus 6x. So this is minus 8x. X square gets cancelled. Okay. So this is minus 8x equal to minus 60. 60 by 8. 15 by 2. Okay. So the point is 15 by 2 comma 0. Question 5. Find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Okay. So we have to find the slope of the line which passes through the origin. And also we have to find the midpoint. Okay. Points are given 0, minus 4 and 8, 0. 0, minus 4 and 8 comma 0. So this is slope of what? Slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint. Okay. So this line is passing through the origin and also through the midpoint of this. So like this it is. Okay. So we have to find slope of this line. So first you have to find the midpoint. Okay. Then that midpoint and origin we have to take and find the slope. Okay. So midpoint formula we know x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay. So this is 4 comma minus 2. Now we have to take 4 comma minus 2 and 0 comma 0 and find the slope. y2 minus y1, suppose this is y2, x2 minus x1. So this is minus 2. Slope is minus 2. Oh, sorry, I took x. y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So this is minus half. Okay. Next question. Question 6. Without using the Pythagoras theorem, show that the points are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay, so we have to, we can't use here Pythagoras. So we have to make use of the knowledge which we have gained in this lesson, that is slope. Okay, now how to find that it is a right angle triangle. So for a right angle triangle, it has to be right angled, means this line has to be perpendicular to this line. So if I take a line, say 2 points A, B and C, line 4 comma 4, 3 comma 5 and minus 1 comma minus 1. So first we have to check for AB and BC, perpendicular it should be, that is it should satisfy m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This is the perpendicular condition. So find out m1, slope of AB, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is 1 upon minus 1, so minus 1. m2 is BC, so 5 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 6 upon 4, so 3 by 2. Okay. m1 into m2, this into this won't be minus 1. So AB is not perpendicular to BC. Now check for AB and AC. Okay. AB slope we have already calculated, that is minus 1. We have to check for the slope of AC. AC 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1. So 5 by 5, 1. Okay, this is minus 1. That is, if you take m1 into m3, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So AC and AB are perpendicular. AC is perpendicular to AB. So we can say that it is a straight, it is a right angle triangle. Question 7. Find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. Okay. Now this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. So find the slope of a line which makes an angle of 30 degree, the positive direction of y-axis. So it is making angle of 30° with the y-axis. So this is our y-axis, this is a line. Okay. So this angle is 30°. You have to find the slope. So to find slope, you have to take the angle which is made with the positive x-axis. This angle is 90. Okay. So total is 120. So we have to find m is equal to tan of 120. Okay. Now for this you need trigonometric ratios, trigonometry knowledge, that is tan of 120. It falls in the second quadrant. Okay. So in the second quadrant, sine is positive and rest all are negative. Okay, sine and cosec are positive, rest all are negative. So tan, this value will be negative, first thing. Okay, and 120 is a multiple of 60. So you have to take tan of 60. Tan of 60 is root 3. So this is the value. Okay. Next question, question 8. So to find the value of x for which the points are collinear. Now what do you mean by collinear? Collinear means the points are in the straight line, correct? So we have to make use of the parallel line slope conditions. Okay, so the slopes are equal and the lines are parallel, and parallel means it can be collinear also. So we have to take points. A is x comma minus 1, B is 2 comma 1, and C is 4 comma 5. So we can take line AB, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Okay, it is given that the points are collinear. The slope of AB, x minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, then 2 minus 4, 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1, 1, x equal to 1. Okay. Next question, without using distance formula, show that the points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now in this, A, B, C, D. Parallelogram property is opposite sides are parallel and equal. So we have to show that the opposite sides are parallel. For that we have to use the condition, it is m1 equal to m2. Slopes should be equal. Okay. So let's find out slope of each line. So the points are minus 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 0, 3 comma 3, and minus 3 comma 2. Okay. So slope of AB minus 2 minus 4, sorry, this is y2, minus 1 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 4, 1 by 6. Slope BC 0 minus 3 upon 4 minus 3. So minus 3 upon 1 minus 3. Slope DC minus 2 minus 3 upon minus 3 minus 3. 6. So 1 by 6. AD minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 upon 1 minus 3. So the slopes are equal, AB and DC. So AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. Okay.